What's good, Tech Fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. Apple's rolling out an AI-powered update to the App Store, making app discovery a breeze with smart tags. Launched in the iOS 26 developer beta, let's dive into how it boosts visibility for users and developers. Apple's new App Store update uses AI to scan app details, descriptions, screenshots, and categories to auto-generate tags that categorize apps better. These tags boost search visibility, helping you find niche apps like meditation trackers or indie games. Human reviewers ensure accuracy before tags go live. Developers can pick which tags suit their apps, no keyword stuffing needed. This could level the playing field for smaller devs, boosting their app spotlight. The AI tags are live in the iOS 26 developer beta. Full rollouts coming soon. Devs, check your App Store Connect to tweak tags. Users, update to iOS 26 when it drops to enjoy smarter searches. Follow GadInsider for tips and updates on the public release. That's the buzz on Apple's AI App Store tags, GadInsider fam. Are you stoked for easier app discovery or curious about dev impacts? Drop it in the comments, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this video to stay in the tech loop.